ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு ராஜகிரி அகாடமி. இப்போ நீங்கள் எந்த பாடத்துலேருந்து நீங்கள் டெஸ்ட் எழுத போகிறீங்க அப்படின்னா 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் நியூ புக் லெசன் நம்பர் 1 ரிலேட்டடான ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இதில் நாங்கள் செட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இது பார்ட் 1 வீடியோ. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். Inertia of body depends on answers. Mass of the object. Impulse is equal to change of momentum. Newton's third law is applicable to for a body is at rest and also in motion. Plotting a graph for momentum on the x-axis and time on y-axis. The slope of the momentum time graph gives force. The unit of G is meter per second square. It can also be expressed as Newton per kilogram. 1 kilogram force equal to 98 into 10 to the power 4 dyne. The mass of the body is measured on planet Earth as m kgs. When it is taken to the planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kg. Mass by 4. If the Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of the body on the Earth will be decreased by 25%. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Newton's third law of motion and law of conservation of linear momentum. To produce a displacement, dash is required. Force. Passengers lean forward when the sudden brake is applied in moving vehicle. This can be explained by the inertia of motion. By convention, the clockwise movement are taken as dash and the anti-clockwise movement are taken as dash. Negative and positive. Dash is used to change the speed of car. Acceleration. Of mass 100 kg has a weight of dash at the surface of Earth. 980 Newton. A cricketer catches a ball of mass 150 grams in 0.1 second and which is the moving with a speed of 20 meter per second. Then he experienced the force of 30 Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. A coin is dropped in a lift. It takes time t1 to reach the floor. When the lift is stationary, it takes time t2. When the lift is moving up with constant acceleration, then dash greater than t2. t1 greater than t2. An unbalanced force act on a body. The body, we call it as, must be accelerated. A satellite in its orbit around the Earth is weightless on the account of its angular momentum. When two or more forces acting on a body and the body does not change its position, then the forces are balanced force. What would be the acceleration due to gravity at another planet whose mass and radius go twice that of Earth, g by 2. At sea level, the value of g is maximum at the pole. An object cannot change the state of rest or motion until the force is applied. This inability of the object is called inertia. The ability of a body to maintain its state of rest or motion is called inertia. Dash deals with the bodies which are at rest under the action of force. Statics. A motor car starts from rest and moves after 5 seconds. If its velocity is 200 meters per second, then its acceleration is with the motion of bodies considering the cause of motion. Kinetics. Linear momentum equal to mass into velocity. The inability of the body to change its state is inertia. Two or more forces of equal or unequal magnitude acting along the same direction parallel to each other are called like parallel force. The axis of the fixed edge about which the thing is rotated is called axis of rotation. When a net force acts on an object, the object will be accelerated in the direction of force with the acceleration proportional to. When a net force acts on an object, the object will be accelerated in the direction of force with the acceleration proportional to force of an object. Rotating effect of a couple is known as momentum of a couple. The amount of force required to produce an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass dash is called a unit force. Mass that should be in 1 kg. The acceleration of a body is due to unbalanced force. Universal gravitational constant given values. Read it. Mean value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. The unit of weight is Newton. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Moon is 1.625 meter per second square. In a collision between a heavier body and a lighter body, which body experiences greater force? Both the body experience same forces. Mechanics is divided into statics and dynamics. The basic property of a body is mass. The amount of force required to produce an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of 1 kg is called as unit force. The amount of force required for the mass of the body 1 kg produce an acceleration Newton. The amount of force required for the body of mass 1 gram to produce an acceleration. This is a definition of 1 dyne. The resistance of a body to change its direction of motion is inertia of direction. If the resultant force of all the forces acting on a body is equal to 0, then the body will be in equilibrium. Such force we call it as balanced force. If the resultant force is not equal to 0, then it causes the motion of the body due to unbalanced force. A system can be brought to equilibrium by applying another force which is equal to the resultant force in magnitude but opposite in direction. Such force we call it as equilibrium. The rod will be turned about the fixed point is called as point of rotation. Thank you friends. Meet you in next slide. Until, keep reading, reading and reading. Thank you.